everyone and welcome back to another vlog. And ngayon, nasa Tower D Residences tayo and ibablog ko yung unit na for sale. This unit is for sale, 1 bedroom with balcony facing amenities. It's 3.5 million left to owner. So, i-open ko lang. Yan. So, ito yung unit. Pagpasok ninyo is yung kitchen area. So, ito, since wala yung owner, nagmo-molds na dahil mataas yung, parang yung humid yung lugar. So, inopen ko muna yung door. Yan. So, ito yung so, halata, oh. Nakikita nyo. 1 month na umalis yung owner. So, iniwan niya yung susi. Yan. So, ito yung bedroom, bathroom area. With ano na rin. Kasama na yung washing machine kapag binili ninyo. Shower heater. Ref. Microwave. Yan. And sa living area niya, ito yung before, ang tenant is from Pogo Company. So, ang nakalagay dito is bunk bed. 2 bunk bed. And may cabinet. So, nagmo-mold na. Dahil, nung nakaraan naka-close, inopen ko. And, ito yung balcony niya. So, makalat lang. And, ito yung view. Nasa Tower D tayo. Yan. Kapag shore residences, ang mapapansin ninyo, yung swimming pool nila is nasa gilid. Yan, island. And sa dulo, Tower C, nandito sa part na to yung gym and yung function room. Sa kabilang side, meron pa dong swimming pool din. Ganito din yung ano niya, parang nakaduplicate lang. Yan. So if you're interested po, just email us at inquiry@talktoteamdale.com or you can message us on our Viber number.